Ever wondered what separates a thriving bakery from the rest? It's far more than just delicious pastries. Successful bakeries master the art of consistency. Every loaf, croissant, or cupcake must meet the same high standard day after day, ensuring customers always know what to expect. Behind the scenes, meticulous planning is essential. Flour deliveries are timed perfectly to avoid shortages, ovens are cleaned religiously to maintain quality, and inventory is managed carefully to reduce waste. But the real secret lies in understanding the customer. Top bakeries know their regulars by name and anticipate their favorite treats, building trust and loyalty with every interaction. Innovation is another key ingredient. Introducing seasonal flavors or limited edition items keeps customers excited and eager to return. Financial discipline also plays a crucial role. Tracking costs closely, pricing products strategically, and minimizing waste ensures every batch is profitable. Finally, thriving bakeries foster a passionate team environment. Staff are trained not just in baking, but in hospitality, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere that makes every visit memorable. These combined secrets form the recipe for lasting bakery success.